What is up? This is Dad Challenge number 1. I'm going to say 1,000 girls' names in alphabetical order, and I'm going to show you the names on the screen. I can't guarantee I'm going to get the pronunciation right, so I've got Google handy here so we can search them along the way. Why say 1,000 girls' names? Well, when we were looking at a name for our daughter, Audrey, we considered many and we did a lot of research. And what I came across was the viral video of the guy who found the 4 worst spelt names I've ever seen. I'm going to post them up on the screen right now. ABCDE, L-A, JKMN, and SSSST. I want to make sure that there's no parent so stuck for a name that they have to choose one of those 4. So here's 1,000 to choose from. It would be greatly appreciated if you could subscribe and hit the bell, and maybe even give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Before I give you 1,000 girls' names, I need a coffee. Out of date. I'm just gonna have instant. Better. Okay, here we go. Aliyah, Abby, Abigail, Ada, Addilynn, 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 Addilynn with 2 N's, Addilynn with 2 D's, Addilynn with 2 D's and 2 N's, Addison, Addison with a Y, Addison with an S-O-N, Adelaide, Adele, Adelina, Adeline, Addilynn, Addilynn again, Adlie, Adriana, Adriana with 2 N's, Adrienne, Ailani, Aileen, Ainsley, Aisha or Aisha, Aislinn, Etana, Ayana, Alaya, Elena, Alana, Alani, Alana, Alana with an H, Alea, Alaya, Elena, Aaliyah, Alina, Alejandra, Alina, Alessandra, Alessia, Alexa, Alexandra, Alexandria, Alexia, Alexi, Alia, Aliana, Aliana, Alice, Alicia, Alina, Alicia, Alison, Alison, Olivia, Alia, Alaya, Aliza or Eliza, Ali, Alison, Alison with a Y, Alma, Alondra, Alora, Alison, again, different spelling, Alisa, Amaya, Amalia, Amanda, Amani, Amara, Amari, Amari with an S, Amaya, Amaya, Amber, Amelia, Amelie, Amia, Amina, Amira, Amira, Amaya, Amaya, Amora, Amy, Anna, Anahi, Anae, Analia, Anastasia, Anaya, Andy, Andrea, Angel, Angela, Angelica, Angelina, Angie, Annika, Ania, Ania with an H, Anne, Anna, Annabelle, Annabella, Annabelle double L-E, Annalie, Annalise, Anne, Annie, Annika, Ansley, Antonella, Anya, April, Arabella, Arden, Aurelie, Ari, Aria, Ariadne, Aria, Ariana, Ariana with 2 N's, Ariel, Ariella, Ariel, Aria, Arlette, Armani, Aria, Ashley, Ashlyn, Ashlyn with 2 N's, Aspen, Astrid, Athena, Aubrey, Aubrey with a Y, Aubrey IE, Aubriella, Aubrielle, Audrey, that's my daughter's name, August, Ariella, Aurora, Austin, Autumn, Ava, Ava with an H, Avalyn or Avalyn, Avalyn with 2 N's, Avery with an I, Avery IE, Avery with a Y, Aviana, Aviana with 2 N's, Aya or Aya, Isla, Aileen, Aylin, Azalea or Azalia, Azaria, Azaria with an H, B, Bailey, double E, Bailey, Barbara, Bailey, double E, Beatrice, Bellin, Bella, Bellamy, Bell, Berkeley, Bethany, Bexley, Bianca, Blair, Blair with an E, Blake, Blakely, Bonnie, Braylon with two N's, Brayleigh, Brianna with two N's, Briar, Bridget, Briella, Brielle, Brinley, Bristol, Brittany, Brooklyn with two N's, Briley, Brinley, Leigh, Bryn, Cadence, Calliope. I need to check that. Calliope. Okay. Cameron, Camilla with an A, Camilla with two L's, Camille, Cameron, Cara, Carly, Carmen, Carolina or Carolina, Caroline, Carolyn, Carter, Casey, Cassandra, Cassidy, Catalina, Catherine, Cecilia or Cecilia, slightly different spelling, Celeste, Celia, Celine, Chana, Chanel, Charlie, Leigh, Charlie with an I, Charlie IE, Charlotte, Chaya, Chelsea, Cheyenne. I need to check that. Cheyenne. Okay. Chloe, Christina, Christine, Claire, Clara, Claire, Clarissa, Claudia, Clementine. That's a nice name. Colette, Collins, Cora, Coraline, Corrine, Crystal, Cynthia, Dee, Dahlia, Daisy, Dakota, Dalery, Dalaza, Dallas, Dana, Danny, Daniela, double L, Danielle, Dana or Dana, Daphne, Davinia, Diana, Deborah, Delaney, Delilah, Della, Demi, Destiny, Diana, Dior, Dorothy, Dream, Dulcie, Dylan. Letter E, Eden, Edith, Egypt, Eileen, Elena, Elaine, Eleanor, Elena, Eliana with N's, Alina, Elisa, Elizabeth, Elise, Eliza or Eliza, Ella, Ellen, Eliana double N, Ellie, Elliot with double T, Ellis, Ellison, Eloise, Elora, Elsa, Elsie, Elise, Ember, Emberly, Emilia, Emily, Emery, Emerson spelled differently, Emery, Emily, Emilia, Emily again, Emma, Emmeline two N's, Emery, Emmeline again, Emmy again, different spelling, Emery, Ensley, Erica different spelling, Erin, Esme, Esmeralda, Esperanza, Estella, Estelle, Esther, Estrella, Etta, Eva, Evangeline, Eve, Evelyn two N's, Everly, Leigh, Everly with just the Y, Evie, Ezra, and now to letter F, Faith, Fatima, Faye, Felicity, Fernanda, Finley, Fiona, Florence, Francis, Francesca, Frankie, Freya, Frida, and letter G, Gabriella with two L's, Gabrielle, Galilea, Gemma, Genesis, Genevieve, Georgia, Gia or Gia, Giana or Giana with two N's, Giovanna, Giselle, Juliana with a G, Gloria, Grace, Gracelyn two N's, Gracie, Greta, Guadalupe, Gwen, Gwendolyn, Hadassah, Hadley, Leigh, Hadley with a Y, Haley, lots of different spellings of Haley, Hazley again, Hallie, Hannah, Harley with GH, Harley with a Y, Harlow, Harmony with an I, Harmony with a Y, Harper, Hattie, Haven, Hayden, Haley again, Hazel, Heaven, Heavenly, Heidi, Helen, Helena, Henley, Holland, Holly, Hope, Hunter. Now for letter I, Ileana, Imani, India, Ingrid, Irene, Iris, Isabel, Isabella again, Isabel, Isla or Isla, Itzayana, Ivana, Ivory, Ivy, Isabella, Jacqueline, Jada, Jade, Jalen two N's, Jalila, Jalaya, Jamie, Jana, Jane, Janelle, Janessa, Janaya, Jasmine, JC, Jada, Jade, Jaden, Jayla with an H, Jaylene again, Jaslyn again, Jasmine again, Gemma, Genesis with a J, Jenna, Jennifer, Jessica, Jessie, Jewel, Jillian, Jemena, Joelle, Johanna, Jolene, Jolie, Jordan with a Y, Jocelyn, Josephine, Josie, Journey, Journey with a Y, Journey with an I, Joy, Joyce, Judith, Julia, Juliana, 2 N's, Julie, Juliet, Juliette, 2 T's, Julissa, June, Juniper, Journey, Justice. Whew, halfway there. K, Cadence, Kaylin, Kai, Kaya, Kailani, Kaylee, Kaylin, Kyrie, Caitlin, Kaya, Kalani, Kali, Kalaya, Kali, Camilla, Camilla, Cameron, Karen, Karina, Carly, 2 E's, Carson, Carter, Cassidy, Catalea, Catalina, Kate, Caitlin, Catherine, Kathleen, Catherine, Katie, Cadence, Kayla, Kalani, Kaylee with a GH, Kaylee again, Kaylin, Kaylani, different spelling, Kaylee, Kira, Kelly, Kelsey, Kendall, Kendra, Kenya, Kenley, Kenna, Kennedy with an I, Kennedy with a Y, Kensley, Kenzie, it's got to be Mackenzie shortened, surely, Kayla, Khaleesi, Chloe, Kiana, Kiera, Kimber, Kimberly, Kimora, Kinsley again, Kira, Cora, Corey, Kyla, Kylie, Kinley, Kira. That was difficult. Letter L. Lacey, Leyla, again with an H, Lainey, Lana, Landry, Lainey, Lara, Laura, Laurel, Lauren, Leyla again, Leah, Liana, Legacy, Leah, Leighton, Layla, Leilani, Lena, Lennon, Lennox, Leona, Leslie, Lexi, Layla again, Leah, Liana, Liberty, Lila, Lillian, Liliana, 2 N's, Lilith, Liliana, 2 L's, 1 N, Liliana, 2 L's, 2 N's, Lily, Liliana, Lena, Linda, Lindsay, Lisa, Liv, Livia, Logan, Lola, London with a Y, Lorelei, Louisa, Louise, Lucia, Luciana, Lucille, Lucy, Luella, Luna, Liana, Lydia, Lilah with an H, Lyra, Lyric. Letter M. Mabel, Maci with an E, Mackenzie, Maci, Madelynn with 2 N's, Madison, Madison, May, Maeve, Maggie, Magnolia, Maia, Maci, Michaela, McKenna, Mackenzie, Milani, Malaya, Malaysia, Malia, Mallory, Mara, Marin, Margaret, Margot with T, Maria with an H, Mariam, Mariana, Marie, Marilyn, Marina, Marisol, Marissa, Marley again, Martha, Mary, Mariam, Matilda, Mavis, Maxine, Maya, McKenna, Mackenzie, McKinley, Meadow, Megan, and Megan again, Melanie, Melina, Melissa, Melody, Mercy, Meredith, Mia, Mika, Michaela, Michelle, Michaela, Mila, Milan, Milana, Milani, Milena, Miley, Millie, Mina, Mira, Miracle, Miranda, Miriam, Molly, Monica, Monroe, Morgan, Maya, Myla, Myra, and the letter N. Nadia, Nala, Nalani, Nancy, Naomi, Natalia, Natalie, Natasha, Nathalie, Naya, Nayeli, Nevea, Nia, Nicole, Nina, Noah, Noel, Noemi, Nola, Nora, Nova, Novalie, Nyla. Letter O. Oakley, Oaklyn, Octavia, Olivia, Opal, Ophelia. Letter P. Paige, Paisley again, Palmer, Paloma, Paula, Paris, Pascal, Parker, Patricia, Paulina, Peyton, Pearl, Penelope, Penny, Perla, Peyton, Phoebe, Phoenix, Piper, Poppy, Presley, Princess, Priscilla, Promise. Letter Q. Queen, Letter R. This should be fun. Rachel, Reagan, Raylyn, Raylin, Raina, Ramona, Raquel, Raven, Raina, Rain, Reagan, Rebecca, Rebecca, Reese, Regina. I said Regina. Rain, Raina, Remy, Remington, Remy, Renata, Raina, Rhea, Ryleigh, River, Rivka, Robin, Romina, Rory. Oh, that's a good one. Rosa, Rosalie, Rosalie, Rosalind, Rose, Rosalind, Rosemarie, Rosie, Rowan, Royal, Royalty, Ruby, Ruth, Ryan, Ryan, Rylan, Ryleigh, Ryleigh, and Riley. Letter S. Sabrina, Sadie, Sage, Sage, Salma, Samantha, Samara, Samira, Sandra, Sania or Sanaya. Ooh, what's this one? I'm not even going to try that one. Let's see what that one says. I think it's Saoirse. Let's try.
Saoirse.
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 I like that. Sarah, Sarah, Sarai, Soraya, Soraya again, Sasha, Savannah, Savannah with an H, Sawyer, Sailor, Scarlet, 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 Scout, Salah, Selena, Celine, Serena, Serenity, Shelby, Shiloh, Sienna, Sienna, Sierra, Simone, Sky, Sky, Skylar, 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 Sloan, Sloan, Sophia, Sophia, Sophie, Stella, Stephanie, Stevie, Summer, Sunny, Sutton, Sydney, Sylvia, and Sylvie. Letter T. Talia and Talia, Tatiana, Tatum, Taylor, Tegan, Tenley, Teresa, Tessa, Talia, Tia, Tiana, Tiffany, Tinley, Tinsley, Tori, Treasure, Trinity. Letter V. Veda, Valentina, Valeria. It's not Valeria, that sounds like an illness. Valeria, Valerie, Valerie again, Vanessa, Veda, Vera, Veronica, Victoria, Vienna, Violet, Violetta, Virginia, Vivian, Viviana, Vivian. Letter W, almost there guys. Waverly, Wendy, Whitley, Whitney, Willa, Willow, Winter, Wren, and Winter again. Letter X, Jimena, Xiomara. Letter Y, Yemalef, never heard of it. Yara, Yareli, Yaretsi. And letter Z, Zara, Zainab, Zanaya, Zara, or Zaria, Zariah, Zariah again, Zaylee, Zelda, Zavia, Xavier, Zoe, Zoe again, Zola, Zora, and Zuri. Woo! Hope you enjoyed this video. Again, hit the subscribe, hit the like button, give me some love. Thanks so much. I think I need another coffee. See you in the next video.